Our world is a very busy place. The public demand for new goods and services, and the industrial challenges with producing those needed market supplies, is a constant focus for businesses. Often, from industry to industry, companies face these challenges alone. But business goes on in the 21st century.
For over 70 years, Filamatic has been a beacon of direction for the liquid filling industry.
A leading manufacturer, go-to resource, your true industry partner. Filamatic provides you with the widest range of liquid filling solutions and a cross-industry experience, while still delivering you the lowest cost of equipment ownership. Filamatic offers the most extensive range of liquid packaging solutions that will virtually handle any type of product viscosity, fill volume, container configuration, and filling environment that you have. And specifying Filamatic as your liquid packaging solutions provider will help you minimize your risk, improve utilization, and highlight your product's quality moving forward. From industry to industry, Filamatic has handled more diverse products than any other liquid filling machine manufacturer. From pharmaceutical and biotech and diagnostic applications, to stick deodorants, hot sauces,
Nutraceuticals,
perfumes,
food and beverage products, as well as new and emerging industries.
Filamatic has the liquid filling solutions that will match your liquid filling needs. In addition to equipment solutions, Filamatic has the real-life senior industry experience on hand, ranging from project consultation, definition and scope, product testing,
Qualification and validation,
pre-shipment factory acceptance testing, system startup and acceptance, and personnel training,
dedicated customer service support, including spare parts and maintenance programs,
and technical support, including remote and on-site assistance. Filamatic provides the experience, gives you the knowledge, and creates the environment that keeps you informed. If you want liquid filling solutions that help you increase productivity, you need a true liquid filling partner who puts your needs first. So whatever industry you're in, whoever your target audience may be, and whether you need one machine or a fully integrated system, Filamatic has the experience to ensure your satisfaction is exceeded.
For more information on liquid filling solutions, visit filamatic.com.